The laundry is often one of those rooms which are overlooked when it comes time to renovating or creating your dream home. Yet I spend lots of time in creating perfect laundries because I think they add great value to the home. My first bit of advice is allow lots of bench space in your design. By including a space for a front loader washing machine and dryer, you gain the benefit of that valuable bench space on top. Including a mixture of open and closed storage gives you options in how you store your things away in the laundry. Placing wall cabinetry above your laundry tub creates easy to reach storage. It's also the perfect place to keep your laundry detergent because it's out of reach from any little ones. A hanging rail above is a very practical addition to any laundry and perfect for those clothing pieces that just need to simply drip dry. As you can see, a laundry can be very good looking and very practical at the same time.